You're gonna be next. You're gonna be no. You can't go together. No, that's too weird. That's too weird. That's weird. No. Just you by yourself. These kids are waiting for this moment. Uh-oh, she's messing with me. Make some noise for her. Excellent job. Make some noise for a high five. All right, you guys. Mr. Campbell, here, come here real quick. Listen up, you guys. So, I know that's why you're going to be what's called the grand finale. Has anyone been to the fireworks show? And you know the very end, it's like the last thing where all the fireworks go off and it's like the grand finale? So Mr. Campbell is going to be the grand finale. Are you ready, Dylan? Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Dylan's gonna find this song. It's a special song, and it's a song that we call a campfire song. And then when the song gets going, Mr. Campbell's gonna get going. You good? All right. So this is what we're gonna do. Everyone's gonna start clapping along once the song starts. That's not the song, Dylan. He likes that song. He likes it, so go with it. Oh, here we go. Everyone's gonna start clapping. Turn it up a little bit. Alright. Campfire style. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Campbell, take it away. But you guys gotta put your hands together for him. He's thinking of what he's doing. He's contemplating. Oh, here it comes. Make some noise for Mr. Campbell. Oh, man. Boy Scouts is doing this. I can see it. Excellent job, Mr. Miller. What do you guys think? I think Miss Smith killed it. With the robot. The robot was pretty awesome. That was pretty awesome. It reminded me of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air for some reason. I'm not sure why. So we're going to lie him on down. Miss Smith, if you don't, because you have a dress, you're all good. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. That's no problem. Nathan's gonna lie down too. The closer you guys get, the less likely he's gonna hit you. Alright, Larry. Whenever you're ready, Larry. Right there, that's good. Alright, so you guys gotta get loud for Larry. Whenever you're ready, Larry, take it away. Larry. Oh! Yeah, Larry. Straight into a 360. Make some noise for Larry. But I think the real round of applause goes to your teachers for dancing for you guys. Make some noise for your teachers. So what do I do, you guys? I'll grab one more. One of you guys grab a helmet. You can grab one. Make sure you find the student out there that's getting the loudest. Who wants a helmet? I'll give you one right now. What do you guys think? Nathan. Drop it in with the 180 right into the lip. Make some noise for Nathan out there. That's not easy. Turn into a look back. This guy is killing it. 180 to 180 in. Get loud for Nathan out there. Nathan, you got something else? You got something else? What you got? Fast fight. Who wants a poster? Nathan, find the student that's getting the loudest and fastest to safety next to you guys if you want a poster. Dang it. Who's ready to see some more? You guys want to see Larry Edgar? Alright, well Larry's going to do some street ride for you. Larry. 360 in. Right into a flare, back to a 180, into a jam. Yes, Larry, that's so good. Downside wind, this guy's going both directions, wow. Right into a 540, wow. You guys. Wow. Make some noise for Larry. Larry, get on top of the box. Go and turn it down for a second. You guys, what you guys just saw is not easy. That was insane. You just put so many moves together. That was so good. Make some noise for Larry Edgar. Who's good for you guys? Who wants to hold it? Who wants the helmet? Come on, Larry can hear you. Yeah, all right, let's get all the riders on top of the box drum with a big, 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 big round of applause. A big round of applause. So, real quick, you guys, I just want to make sure I stress to you guys, what is the most important piece of safety equipment these guys are wearing? The helmet, that is correct. You guys will notice that all their helmets are buckled all the way tight to make sure it stays on. You don't want your helmet flying off. It's very important that you guys wear helmets when you ride bikes, guys, because there's a lot of people out there that are not paying attention. They're either looking at their cell phones or just going through life and not really worrying about other people. And then you guys are going to get hurt. So you guys got to make some noise for wearing your helmet and being safe out there. Make some noise for that. Who wants to see a special stunt? Who wants to see Mr. Larry Edgar jump over the top of Nathan Sykes? Everyone wants to jump over Dylan for some reason. No, Dylan's like, no. Who wants to see it? Should we do Dylan? I'll let you guys decide. Hold on. So, the first person I'm going to announce is Dylan. Whoever you guys get the loudest for, we're going to jump over. Should it be Dylan? Or should it be Nathan? Alright, Nathan, you're the one who's getting jumped over, Nathan. Sorry, the crowd decided. So should Nathan be sitting down or standing up when we jump over the top? Did he say sitting down? Standing up, okay. I think we can do it. Nathan, you got a helmet on, you're all good. So, sitting down, I'm trying to think of the coolest thing we can do right now. Sitting down, standing up. What if, give him a high five in the air? That would be cool. What if we're politically correct? And we have Nathan breakdancing when we jump over the top of him. So, Nathan, what do you think about that? Are you ready to breakdance? See, Nathan's from Oregon. They don't do a lot of breakdancing out there. But if you guys get loud enough, he might do the Oregon boogie for you guys. Start clapping. Job, Nathan. Oh, man. Oh, man. Excellent job. Make some noise for Nathan for being a good sport. Man. I hate to say it, Nathan. I mean, you did a better job than I would have done, but I think you should stick with bike riding. Turn it down just a little bit, Dylan. So, just stick with bike riding. Don't try to be a dancer. So sitting down, standing up, breakdancing, or what did you say? You want to jump over an officer? You guys want us to jump over one of the police officers out here? Who? A young guy? Nathan, you could offend some police officers out here by saying the young guy. I think they're all young. Oh man. Alright, we're gonna get this guy right here. Come on over here. You guys gotta get loud for your police officers out here. Come on, get loud for them. What is your name? Officer Bender. Alright, are you the captain? I heard the captain was maybe gonna be here. Is he here? Is he here? Can we do that? Can we jump over him instead? We can jump over both of you if you want. Let's jump over both of you. And we gotta get the sign. Where's the OTS sign? Okay, perfect. Do we have another chair? Can we? There's gotta be one person that has another chair out here. You're the captain? Captain, what's your last name? Johnstone. Johnstone? Captain Johnstone. Man, we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the hard work you guys do. Oh, another promotion, okay. That's what I like. So they're gonna help you out. So grab Larry's hand. He's gonna pull you on up there, sweet. All right. It's not every single day you get to put 2 police officers on top of the ramp right here and jump over the top of them, especially a captain. So I'm excited for this. Are you guys excited? So earlier, I had Sergeant Jim. Where's Sergeant Jim at? Is he here? Sergeant Jim came up to me and he was like, "Hey man, I gotta let you in on a little secret about our captain. You guys gonna be playing music?" And I said, "Yeah man, we're gonna be playing music." He said, "My captain is a really big fan of a certain artist." And I was like, "Oh man, I don't know if I have any artists from like the 70s on the library, but I can see what we can do." He says, No. You guys gotta have some music from his favorite artist, who's actually a modern day artist. It happens to be Katy." And I said, Katy Perry? He says, yeah, Katie's his favorite artist. I said, well, that's such a coincidence because that happens to be Larry Egger's favorite artist as well. Is there anyone out here that knows the song Roar by Katy Perry? Okay, that happens to be your captain's favorite song. And he asked if there was anyone out here that would be willing to sing the song while Larry jumps over the top of you, your police officers. Is there anyone that wants to sing? Who? Come here. That's what I like to see. Way to step up. Come on over here.
Uh-oh.
You have to sing for real, yeah. Oh no, do you want to have someone help you do it? Okay, who wants? Come over. Who? Come over. Ethan. Emma, come on. Come on, Emma. Alright, you guys, come on over here. So go ahead and start the song, Dylan. So this is what we're gonna do. They're gonna start singing, and while they're singing, you guys gotta help them sing, and then we'll give away a bunch of helmets.